let's see now what is the daily guidance we have got for all the zodiac signs for today. So it's for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Guidance for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, number 3 is very eminent for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius today. Number 13. I have got here number 13 can be your date of birth, your person's date of birth. Important number for you, important date for you, important days from now to 13 days. Very much eminent for you guys, right? So for today, about your career, from now to 13 days, maybe you will get success in your career. ठीक है, you are waiting for promotion, you are waiting for to get honor from your work in your work front from someone, or public recognition, rewards from someone. You are waiting for incentive. So from now to 13 days, or if your date of birth total number is 4, 13, 1 and 3. 3 is very eminent here. So if you are facing some kind of financial loss or financial insecurity right now, so strong chances you will use all your resources and through which you will gain clarity. So today what you need to do, be polite and gentle with your colleagues, with your seniors, with your juniors, with everyone, right? At the same time, you can wear black color also today if you wish. For few of you, and for few of you, this is a time when you need to take guidance from your seniors, from your elders, from your mentor. So to gain more clarity, this is going to help you today, right? If you are feeling stuck in something, so you can wear citrine, yellow topaz. You can strongly wear Holite crystal also, and you can wear Suleimani Hakik stone also, right? To protect you from negative energy, evil eye, right? So, agar if your phone glass is broken, please change it to get success in your every efforts. It's very much important for you, right? And please don't keep damaged electronic items in your home. All those gadgets, if you find them they are not working, or you don't require them, they are not in use, don't use them right now. Don't keep it with you right now, okay? And it can create some kind of career blockages also. It can create some kind of blockages in your on a emotional front also there, right? And please keep your north part clean about your in your house, in your room, especially in your room. Keep it neat and clean, okay? You can wear any shade of yellow today. You can, for few of you whose number is 13, 13 number 4, you can wear dark tone also. Black can be worn today by you, okay? So please do consume turmeric in your diet. Please do eat, drink, whatever you want to do. Anyhow, you need to consume turmeric, right? So this is what you need to do. Let's move forward. Let's see now for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Daily guidance for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn for today. For Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so this is a day full of responsibilities for you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this is a day of balance for you. Number 8, 14 number is very important for you guys, right? You will remain busy today with many other responsibilities, multiple options in your life, in your field, career also. You need to invest your energy in many tasks maybe for today, right? So yes, today you should stay calm. Definitely you should stay patient. Be more patient in your life, okay? So don't get aggressive, and stay calm, okay? And you can keep smiling also to win many hearts in your life for today. So remedy for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is you can wear amethyst, or you can wear lapis lazuli also, and you can wear green aventurine or jade. It's going to help you. And please use green pen while you are writing something, anything, right? And if you will use green color more in your day, it will keep you cheerful also. So yes, and please do respect your servants and give them some gift, give them some treat time to time for today also. It's very much, it's going to attract good luck for you, okay? And if you will feed blind beggar or a person who is in need, so it will attract good luck for you. Or you can even wear shades of blue also for today, right? So okay, so this is what I have for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see now for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, that is for water sign, what they need to do for today. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for today. What they need to do. Let's see now. Number 3 and number 9 is very important for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for today, guys. Okay. So what they need to do. This is a day of prosperity for you guys. Okay. So all your efforts will be successful and you will achieve whatever you are desiring today. Okay. People will follow you or will give you more respect. Okay. So if you will show patient behavior and you can face some kind of aggression though, but then because of some kind of sadness, because of some kind of failures, or because of some kind of past failure, past issues maybe, uh, you can feel sometime quite that your energy is draining. But then also if you will keep going now, I feel that today many other people will get attracted towards you. They will learn from you. Your energy will inspire them. Now it's up to you. You want to stay in this low energy, or uh, you want to get going in your life, right? So yes. And for today, remedy for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you can wear red jasper, you can wear citrine also, yellow topaz also. Okay. So this you need to do. And if you will apply saffron tilak on your forehead before you going or doing any important work in your life today, so it's going to help you. Okay. You can wear yellow or any shade of yellow, or you can keep a handkerchief also if you wish in of yellow color to attract good luck in your life today. Okay. So you can wear red and orange also. This can be your lucky colors for the day. And please do visit Hanumanji's temple and take blessings of Lord Hanumana and Lord Shiva also. If you cannot do this, please take the blessing of your elder brother today, right? This you need to do. Let's move forward. Let's see now for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Daily guidance for today for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. So for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, number 2 is very important. Number 10 is very important. Number 1 is again very much important. So this is a day for material success in your life. This is a day to be more confident in your life. So it's like a very positive day you are attracting today. Be more confident with all your decisions. At the same time, this is going to be really a good day for you on a financial front and for government sector also. Okay. So growth, comfort, luxuries are coming for you. You are attracting those all the great luxuries in your life. Father or family will support you today. Okay. So you need to remain focused in one direction, and please do make efforts also, show your efforts also. Okay. So for you, remedy for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you can wear clear topaz today. You can wear selenite also, and you can wear moonstone also, right? So for today, you can wear light colors or silver jewelry. You can wear bright color, or you can wear gold ornaments also. Okay. So if you will offer jaggery mixed water to nature, to sun, it will going to help or attract good luck for you. Okay. So if you will do it in the early morning hours to sun, it's definitely going to help you a lot. Okay. And please take blessings of your father also, father figure. And for today, if you will offer milk on shivling, it will increase balance power in your life. Okay. So if you cannot do this, please do offer some milk to old widow lady to attract good luck in your life, right? So this you need to do for today, guys. This is the daily guidance I have for today. I will see you soon tomorrow with the another guidance for the day. Bye bye for now, guys. Take care.